Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Wave motion part 2. Transverse wave, difference between transverse wave and longitudinal wave on the basis of vibration of a particle. Transverse wave means perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. Perpendicular. This is in the same direction. Here propagation of a wave and vibrating of a particle is in perpendicular to each other, is same. Propagation of a wave and vibrating of a particle is same direction. Okay, next it travels from the crust and trough. Crust C and trough T. It travels from compression and rarefaction. Compression C and rarefaction R. Okay, compression and rarefaction. Compression means here this is compression, this is crust. Okay, crust and trough. Crust, trough. Crust, trough. Okay, here compression and rarefaction and short compression, rarefaction. Okay, compression means maximum pressure and density. Rarefaction, compression, rarefaction and rarefaction, minimum pressure and density. Okay, minimum pressure and density. Here another difference is transverse waves can transmitted through the solid step. Transmit through solid step on the surface and step on liquid surface and but can't be transmitted through the transmitted through the gas and liquid. Okay, here transmitted through solids, liquids and gases, but not the transmitted through solids, liquids and gases, but not propagation, but because for propagation volume elasticity is necessary. Okay, here mediums should be property of rigidity. Here property of rigidity and here elasticity. Okay, here Transverse wave polarized, not polarized. Okay, these are the differences between the transverse wave and longitudinal wave. This propagation wave and vibration of a particle is perpendicular to each other, and propagation wave and a vibrating particle is in same direction. His crust and trough and compression and rarefaction. Crust and trough. Compression means maximum pressure and density. Rarefaction means minimum pressure and density. Compression, rarefaction, compression. Next, this is extended. Transmitted solids set on the liquid surface, not be transmitted through the gases and liquids. Here transmitted through solids, liquids, but propagation and volume elasticity. Here next, property of rigidity and property of elasticity. Polarized and non-polarized. Okay, these are most important differences between transverse wave and longitudinal wave on the basis of the propagation of a progressive wave. Progressive wave, the advanced medium defined as velocity. And the propagation energy is in the medium. Example, sound wave and light wave. These are the examples of the propagative wave. Next, okay, stationary wave. What is meant by stationary wave? In a 8 marks question, stationary wave means these waves remaining stationary waves between the standard boundaries and between the mediums. Energy is also propagated by these waves. Energy also propagated by the standard waves. It is set into the segments or loops. Waves or strings, and waves or stationary waves means, here stationary waves means this is stationary wave. This is also stationary wave. Second stationary. This is the line, imaginary. Stationary waves means these are the most important 8 marks question. Next, here simple harmonic wave. These are in loops, segments, and segments. Energy is not propagated. Okay, next, simple harmonic, simple harmonic motion, and here SHW, simple harmonic wave. Okay, when a wave in the medium, when a wave passes through the medium, when a wave passes through the medium, and here if the particle executes the simple harmonic wave, simple harmonic vibration, simple harmonic vibration. These are also known as SHW, simple harmonic vibration is also known as SHW, simple harmonic wave. Next, a graph is in the displacement of a, here a graph, y means displacement, y axis, x axis, this is lambda, difference between two, a amplitude, here t, this is lambda. Okay, here this is the graph between with the displacement of a particle from the mean position at instant of time, y axis location of origin, and x axis is the on x axis, y x0 origin is located on the x axis and perpendicular to the y axis. Here this difference is called as lambda, and this difference also t is time period is also known as lambda, and here amplitude, a is amplitude. Okay, next topic is characteristics of a wave. These are 9 types, these are 12 types. They are, first amplitude, first I will write this. Characteristic of wave means these are, first one is a amplitude, second one is lambda wavelength, and third one is frequency and is the frequency, and fourth one is time period t, and fifth one is wave pulse WP. Next sixth one is a wave train. Next seventh one is wave function, and eighth one is harmonic wave, and ninth one is differential forms of wave equation. Next 10th one is angular wave number or k, propagational constant, and 11th one is wave velocity denoted by v, and second one phase. 12th one is phase. These are the characteristics of the wave. Okay, in our class we discussed and we recapped about that propagation of a transverse wave, difference between the transverse wave and difference between transverse wave and longitudinal wave, and compression and rarefaction, and next on the basis of the energy of the propagation and propagation wave, stationary wave, simple harmonic wave. Characteristics of wave is in difference of 12 forms. These are discussed, just classifications or names only we discussed. A means amplitude, lambda means wavelength, and n means frequency, and time period t, wave pulse WP. Next wave function and forms of the equation, angular wave number or propagation wave, velocity and phase. These are we discussed in this class. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super Srinivas. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.